And in the end, we have just to save the content of our composition in the form of the finished film to show it to our friends or put on display on YouTube. This can be done very easily. In the main menu, select the item, Composition, Make Movie, and immediately on the timeline panel appears the render key, where we see our track scheduled for rendering. In the settings of the output module, click on the audio output, for our cartoon was with the sound. Click OK, and check out exactly where the program will save the output file and its name, so you do not cry, "Oh, ow, ow, where is my cartoon?" Now start the render. Rendering is a complex process, during which the program actually assembles the final video file. This may take some time. For you do not get bored, the program will show you already made frames of your animation, as well as how much time has passed and how much is still left. In the end, computer makes a joyful sound, and this will mean that you have only to find and watch your cartoon. This is the easiest and the most reliable way of rendering. Its only drawback is that the resulting files are sufficiently large in volume. This is because we rendered without compression, but you can easily compress the output file using any converter. I myself used the program from Mart Factory, which is in downloads of our website. It is very easy to use program that does not require any configuration. Simply select what format you want to convert your file in, such as AV for viewing on the computer, or the MP4 or 3GP for mobile devices and phones. Drop your file in the window that opens and remember the folder where to find the target file. Click OK and then start, and after a couple of minutes you'll get ready file, which you'll be able to upload, for example, to your phone to show your friends. Well, I think you are quite prepared to create your own cartoon about marine life. Among the files for our lesson, you'll find a lot of pictures that will allow you to make a cartoon like this scene from our cartoon The True Story of the Yellow Kalina. Unleash your imagination. Let us see how we'll look on the seabed, cheerful god and dog with its kennel. Dress your favorite heroes in the underwater suit and send them to search the treasures of the sunken ships. And then we will have competition and see who will make more interesting story. Write to us and send us your cartoons. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to make animation of more serious objects with hands, legs, so they can run, jump and talk. See you next time!